Starting in 3, 2, 1. All right. We've got Sexy Maxi on the queue. Hold the lines as here. Sasha having a queue. See what they can get into this third goal. Because they managed to get one in. Sasha going to another queue. Sexy Maxi's here another. Sexy Maxi scoring. We can put this in 35 seconds to be halfway drivers. As people are pushing the red off the post, they're scoring a ton of points. We have Sawsharks with another cube. You must now switch drivers if you have it. Sawshark leading the bonus in the last goal. Sawshark getting another green. Sexy Maxi's looking to do the same. As we get to the end of the match, we'll see if they can defend the park. Sexy Maxi's going for the park. They managed to pull it off. Sawshark going for some last good points. Q50